welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little video to show you how I make my homemade chicken pot pie. And I have some missing ingredients. I thought that I had some mixed vegetables or some peas and carrots, which I had neither. I just had a can of peas. So I'm just going to work with what I got. So you guys, if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So let me know down in the comments if you make chicken pot pie and how do you prepare yours. I'm interested to know. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And on this channel, you will see that I do cooking videos, organization videos, cleaning with me's, organize, DIYs, stuff like that, you guys. Welcome to my channel.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me. What do you got, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close, babe. What do you got, 'cause I am gold.